Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the recent amendments in NAB Ordinance. Earlier law, National Accountability Ordinance 1999, which created NAB. New law, National Accountability Amendment Ordinance 2021. Following are the important changes in NAB law. First, new ordinance has removed private disputes, banking disputes and tax evasions from NAB's scope, and the watchdog will now focus on major corruption. A private person not connected to a public office is now out of NAB's jurisdiction. Another salient feature of the ordinance is the exclusion of the federal and provincial cabinets, business community, and collective decisions of the committees and subcommittees, Council of Common Interest, National Economic Council, National Finance Commission, Executive Committees of National Economic Council, and State Bank of Pakistan from the ambit of NAB. All taxation matters will be transferred to the Federal Board of Revenue. Those opting for voluntary return will face disqualification for 10 years, and this amendment will take effect retroactively. If a bank or financial institution take any decision, the NAB will take no action on it until prior approval of the Governor of State Bank of Pakistan. This ordinance will also enhance the role of SBP Governor. Now bail powers are being given to trial courts. The Prime Minister will indeed not be holding consultation with the Leader of the Opposition. Instead, NAB chairman's appointment would be made by the President of Pakistan in consultation with both leaders of the House. If the consultation is not consensus-oriented and fails, a parliamentary committee would be formed by the National Assembly Speaker, having 6 members, each from the opposition and the government. Any complaints of misconduct against the NAB chairman would be referred to the Supreme Judicial Council. The ordinance has amended to grant extension to the tenure of the NAB chairman by excluding the word non-extendable from the statute. The President, in consultation with the Chief Justice of Pakistan, shall establish as many accountability courts throughout the country as he may deem necessary. Some additional information. NAB chairman Justice Retired Javed Iqbal claims NAB helped recover 35 billion rupees looted money from October 2017 to June 2021. NAB's overall conviction rate remained about 66%. This video is relevant for the essay, Pak Affairs, Current Affairs, Constitutional Law and Political Science.